Let's look at this example where we have exponentials here, 2 to the x and 2 to the x minus 1 and 2 to the x plus 2. It is very tempting to cancel out the 2 to the x, etc. But we must note that this division line here is actually also like a parenthesis around the numerator and a parenthesis around the denominator. Brackets around the numerator and brackets around the denominator. So, and before we do not have a multiplication there or a division, we cannot simplify. So if we look at the expression here, we note that there is a common factor here like 2 to the x. So let us take out 2 to the x in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Take out 2 to the x in the numerator, then for my first term, I will end up with a 7, and then I have a 3 times 2 to the minus 1. For the denominator, we take out 2 to the x, and then we have 1 there, minus 2 to the 2. And now we can cancel the 2 to the x, so because we have now a multiplication. The next thing we need to do is to simplify. So if I simplify, I get in the numerator 7 minus, remember 2 to the minus 1 is 1 over 2, so I will get 3 over 2 for the part there. For this part, I will get 2 to the minus 1 is 1 over 2. The times 3 gives me 3 over 2. And in the denominator, I will have 1 minus 4. This will simplify to, remember 7 is the same as 7 times 2 over 2. Minus 3 over 2 divided by minus 3. That gives us 14 minus 3, which is 11 over 2. Divided by minus 3, which is equal to minus 11 over 6. So we totally got rid of the x's in here. It is just a regular number or regular rational number here. In this case, we can also write it as minus 1 and 5 over 6. But we can leave it as 11 over 6 also. Or to practice the exponents further, here you will find now a mixed exercise. And in this case, there are 6 numbers that you can do. I will also supply the answers. So do this on your own, and then you can check whether you understand all the rules.